today we're working on a sign for my grandson and his fiancée that's going to be getting married. It's a cutting board sign. You can hang it up and be a sign. I finished it with food safe finish, so they can use a cutting board if they wanted to. Stick with me and I'll show you how we're going to do it. So what I've got a friend gave me some chair bottoms, oak chairs, and I got a little old deal my wife wants to do for a wedding, and he's gonna make a little plaque, but I've got all kinds of chair bottoms. I just put under here. I've made some stuff before. Actually, I already started working on this one. I think we'll just use this one. I've already started on it. So that means probably won't have so much to do. But when that sign deal come up, my wife actually thought about it. She says, "You remember them chair bottoms?" Okay, then. So you can see it's the chair bottom. Here's where the legs were. But I finally already started working on this. So we'll just keep going. What I want to do, we're going to use the CNC machine to do the engraving. My wife's got it all figured out, so what I'm trying to do is, you'll probably set something like that, and then I think she's going to have some cowboy boots and just stuff. It's for my grandson and his fiancee's wedding. This is where they're going to have a recipe dump. You bring a recipe and you're going to have a box right here. You put recipes in it for them to use as years to come. So we're using a CNC. I got to make sure I'm here on my table saw. So that ends good and flat, but I need to get both ends good and flat because that ain't bad. It may have just a tick wiggle. So I kind of looked out here. We've got this one. It's flat enough to where it'll go through the planer. So what I'm going to do, and it won't work. So this is wider than my thickness planer. So I need to get my drum sander out, and we'll run this thing through the drum sander and get it just perfectly flat. There's a low place here and here. You can tell because I need to get all that finish off, and we'll go through here and we'll get her all slicked up. I'll probably get me some 100 grit and going over it. Back, probably went further than I should have. It was plenty flat. But just see where the legs went in and so what's wrong. But anyway, so if you remember when I said my wife had it figured out, she did. I didn't. This right here is going to be a cutting board. And with the boots and all that, she decided not to do that. So this is going to be the recipe dump. So it's a box is going to sit here, and people come by they bring their recipes for a new couple, and it's called a recipe dump. You put your recipes in this box, and they'll have recipes. Something when they get ready to set up their housekeeping now, she can cook some meals, or he can, or you know what I mean. But anyway, this is a recipe dump. This is a cutting board. And I'm gonna make that little box that go here, recipe box. I've got a video on a recipe box. So, and some other boxes. I like making boxes. But anyway, this is going to be the recipe. This is a cutting board. So I'm going to get set up here, and I'll show you little tidbits along the way, and so forth and so on, and a little bit of each section. And if y'all want to more detail in the CNC, leave me a comment, and I'll see what I can do, because there's a whole lot to this. I use VCarve Pro. I don't know if my brain works well with it or what. I mean, I've used several different things, and that has, me and it gets along just fine. And to me, it's just the easiest way for me. Got to get a G code, and then I put it in the G sender. See, I've got a LongMill here, and that's my workflow. But we can go into as much detail as you like. So if you do, leave a comment. I've had a viewer talking about projects on the CNC, but if y'all want to see more detail on just leave a comment, and I'll work it out. If not, we'll just do the overview, kind of what I've been doing it. So I'm gonna get set up here, and like I say, I'll show you little tidbits. I tell you, some of them old timers don't really like CNCs. They like traditional hand working. I like it all myself. Lasering, CNC, lathe. I know some people that nothing but the lathe. Rest of it, waste of time. Nothing but the lathe, and vice versa. Hand tools, they wouldn't even have a lathe. I like it all. That's nice. Wife designed it, so she did good. So what we're gonna do, yeah, she did good. So what we got is a little cutting board. I'm gonna finish it with shellac. They'll probably hang it up, and that's fine. But I'm gonna finish it with shellac. The shellac that you mix up yourself is food safe. So that way, if they did use it, which is fine too, I ain't gotta worry about it. That's why I do all my bowls and everything. You don't know if they're gonna have fruit in it, or they don't know. You don't know what they're gonna do. So this way, it'll be food safe. But if they want to hang it on the wall, they could do that too. So I'll put some coats of shellac on it and probably work the sides off a little bit, but I hope y'all like it. If you want to see the CNC in more detail, just leave me a comment and I'll work that out. Well, that's going to do it for this one. I appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Y'all be safe, and I'll catch you on the next one.